The instructions of this video can be used to prepare syrup from any plant material you have, flowers, leaves or other green parts and roots. Hi plant enthusiasts! Today we will meet the wonderful elder and we're going to prepare some syrup of these wonderful flowers, and I will show you which flowers or which panicles they are growing in these panicles to collect to use for the syrup. If you want to use the flowers of the elder, you should use flowers like this. There are no old flowers in it, it's a fresh one, and also no closed flowers as in this panicle. This is already an old one, no flowers anymore there, and here as well. So don't harvest panicles where you see there are old flowers included, just use the fresh, nice one like this. Here we have those nice flowers of the elder. I've put these flowers here so that tiny bugs and other animals can escape. There are still a few. We will cut away these stems from these panicles because that will lead to a bitter taste in the syrup, and collect them in a measuring device. The rest here can go for composting. The garden will be happy with these. I've collected the flowers with the removed stalk in a measuring device and pushed them together. Please don't wash them before, because that would remove the pollen, and we need the pollen for the taste. So we can see here that we have roughly 500 milliliters of flowers. So we will add the same amount of water and the same amount of sugar. I don't stir it extensively, just a little bit. Now we will cover it and then put it into the fridge, ready for the fridge. I've incubated that for 3 days in my fridge, and I stirred every day, and now this is finished. Now it's bad because my pot here is clearly too small. There needs to be sugar added. The amount of sugar should equal the amount of water. So if I have 2.2 liters of water, I need to add 2.2 kilos of sugar in total. This doesn't fit in the pot, so I'm going to divide it that I can show you. Now I have added the amount of sugar. You see it's really a lot for the syrup, and the plant material is still inside. We will now cook it once that we have a nice solution and the sugar is completely dissolved. I've decided to use another pot which is bigger. I should have done that directly, but otherwise it wouldn't have fit into the fridge. So after creating a huge mess in my kitchen, I have now cleaned it up. This here is the residual plant material of the elder, and now we are going to add the juice of 1 lemon to it. And we add 50 grams of citric acid. And we let this cook for some minutes. I would let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. after our syrup has boiled, I have cleaned glasses with boiled water, really hot water, and filled the syrup in the glasses. Everything is really hot. We will cover this now with a towel and leave it there overnight to cool down. The syrup will be sent to bed right now, and I will drink this really nice syrup I mixed with fresh water. And I already had 5 cups of these. It's wonderful and good. You should definitely try it. And besides the sugar you're using, it's completely free. The elder is growing in the forest, in parks, outside, everywhere. You can harvest it and prepare a nice syrup for yourself. Cheers!